Hello everyone, my name is Michael with AI Gym Growth. I'm going to be showing you my hybrid AI gym growth procedure. It's quite a simple flow chart and I think it'll help you out and maybe you'll learn and grow from it. So we'll start at the beginning. The green path is the members. Obviously they're labeled, so the members, we've got potential members, past members, current members, and continuing reoccurring members. This is what you're shooting for, as I'm sure you know. So the only real ways to get members are through these three things. Your social media, so like your image as a whole, your gym's image, reviews and testimonials from other people who have been members, and then ads. There are people who will just walk in and stuff, but that's not a reliable source, and it's not worth really going too deep into. You want something scalable. So with the social media, what we do with our clients is we implement AI and automation into them. We have an AI chatbot monitoring the messages to make sure that any potential interest gets converted into a member. And we consult and give you tips on what you should be posting if you aren't already doing that. As for reviews and testimonials, it's actually a pretty simple process to implement an automation just to send out a sheet to the members just asking for a review and maybe testimonial. You could give a discount on like the members month if they do a testimonial video, before and afters, this sort of thing. It's something we help with, just make sure that you get like a better overall brand image. And then of course the big one, meta ads. I'm sure you've been sold by 50 other people all telling you they'll get you 50 new members in the next day or something. But it does work. Ads do work. The only limiting factor is just how much volume and how many ads you test. Really, if you shoot 1,000 ads out, how can you tell me that one of them isn't going to perform very well? It will work. You just do a bunch of A/B testing, split testing, and you'll find a winning ad and you'll scale it. That works. We know how to do that. We'll do that for you, or you can do it. I don't really care. We'll just make sure it's optimized. After that, this is the secret. It's not too big of a secret, but it's the new thing, an AI caller. So with the traction coming in from the meta ads, all we do is route them into an AI caller within 1 to 2 minutes. Maybe you've heard the rule that you just want to reach out within like a few minutes or else they'll get colder. But this way you can just have someone do it for you, an AI. They never will skip days. They don't need to eat. They don't go on vacation. You don't have to give them a raise ever. So they'll just call diligently after 1 to 2 minutes whenever we decide, and they'll start talking. Some video I'll show you the flow chart and how to actually set up an AI. It's quite a simple process, but it does take some knowledge for sure, and we have that. That's what we do for our clients. So after the AI caller, of course we would consult on your offer. We give you some tips on, increase price, decrease, new promotions and stuff. You can't just do the 6-week challenge. That's gym launch, Alex Hormozy stuff, and it works and it has worked, but now you got to do something new. And so we will help you with that. Just new is better than just the same old thing usually. After that, we'll send an automated onboarding procedure to these coming in members so they know where to be, who they're going to talk to. Just take out all the variables that'll make them not want to come. And after they show up, you've got a member. It's just that easy. And this is repeatable over and over and over. Let's just hop over to the past members while we're here. So this is just an AI database reactivation sequence. So it's just like your standard one. People will advertise, they'll do an email campaign or whatever. But since you already have consent and have their phone numbers, you can just put an AI caller in there to give them a call, just see where they're at, maybe like why they're not interested anymore. Just get some good information on that. Maybe you'll learn what you can do to change to get them to come. So that's a way to just automate that process again. And an AI call is cheaper than a real human. It'll convert better, all that stuff. It also has a massive database of all your gym's information, so it'll answer questions on the spot, be able to recall every fact. So after they are a member, We use AI checkups to just send, it's more of an automation, but we just talk with them every so often, like 1 or 2 weeks, just see how they're doing. If they're not liking something, we'll monitor their attendance here. If they start skipping out of their normal schedule, let's say they come 3 times a week, suddenly they drop down to 2 times and then 1 times, and then usually they quit at that point. But we would have automated systems to kind of encourage them to come back if we see a pattern shift. Now, cancellation requests do happen. It's just a fact. People just change, things happen. But with our help, we will help implement the exit interview, which is a classic. I mean, it's still somewhat new, but I don't know why people don't do it. Because then you talk to them face to face, or automated will work that out, and then that can help convert them back into a member. Or if they still want to cancel, then they will go back into our database reactivation. Just go into a past members and they may just come back. They may realize that your gym is just better than the others. And that's basically it. It's kind of simple. This is just how it works. I mean, there's not really any other steps in here. It's just automated. You'd save a bunch of money having an AI caller here over a real human. Fairly cheap to keep up. Pretty easy once we get it set up. We'll run your meta ads, we'll consult on your social media, we'll help you get reviews and testimonials coming in, we'll set up your onboarding, do auto attendance reminding, AI checkups, exit interviews. Yeah, we'll just help with the whole thing. But yeah, I look forward to hearing from anyone on their thoughts on that. I'll see you next time.